Chikoo says, let's shake today. What's inside? Let's find and play. Blue egg shakes. 1, 2, 3. What pops out? A dolphin wee. Yellow eggs so bright and fun. Crack! It's a duck in the sun. Red egg rolls across the ground. Wiggle, wiggle, hear that sound. Pop! It's a red and full of might. A fire truck with flashing a light. Green egg wiggles, let's peek inside. What could be in there? Trying to hide. Crack! A frog jumps with a smile. Let's hop with him for just a while. Which egg friend did you see? Like and subs, come play with me. Bye bye. Have a nice day.